Ever had your fridge call you out? Jake just did. He opens his brand new smart fridge and hears, "You've opened the door 6 times in 10 minutes. Are you actually hungry?" Wait, what? Is this fridge judging him? Jake blinks in disbelief and mutters, "Are you judging me?" The fridge doesn't hold back. It's like having a personal trainer in your kitchen. But here's the kicker. Jake turns to Lisa and whispers, "My fridge is passive-aggressively fat-shaming me." Lisa laughs and says, "Sounds like you needed more willpower, not Wi-Fi." And there it is. The smart fridge can track your habits but can't change them. It's a reminder that technology can't fix what's inside us. So next time you reach for that midnight snack, remember, it's not just your cravings that are watching. What habits do you need to change? Let me know in the comments below.